Class 5 Grammar. Now today we'll start with perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense. Now present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is a mixture of the present and the past. It is a mixture of what? Present perfect tense, mixture of present and the past. It is used to show an action that has just been completed as. It is used to show an action that has just been completed. Okay, now it is used what? It is used to show an action which has just been done, completed. Now see. Boni has finished his work. Boni has finished his work. Girls have reached home safely. Okay. Now see, Boni. Now what is this? Boni has finished his work. Girls have reached home safely. This work has been done. They have finished. They have reached. So now the verb form in this tense is has and have. Okay. See, has and have says us that the work has completed. Plus V3. We use has for a singular subject and have for a plural subject, that you know. We use has for singular and have for plural, like I, you. Now, a very important note, the present perfect tense denotes present time. It denotes what? The present time, what is going on, the present time. Therefore, it can never be used with words and phrases denoted past tense. So, it cannot be used with words with past words cannot be used, okay? When some past time is mentioned, we must use the past tense, and when some past was mentioned, then we have to use the past tense. So in past tense, we have to use the past tense. In past perfect. In present, we have to use the present one. Now see. The old man has died at last. The old man died last night. The old man had died at last is wrong. The old man died last night is right. We have seen the Taj Mahal last year. Wrong. We saw. Is past present. The old man has died, so it is died. So we cannot write has died. The old man died last night. Have seen because it is past, so we saw the Taj Mahal last year. So these are the two right sentences. Now the following adverbs of time. The following adverbs of time should be placed between the helping verb like has and have. We have to put has and have before the helping verb and the main verb. Now see. He has just gone out. He has just, so we are having has. He has just gone out, helping verb just. He has just gone out. We, singular, we will use has, and plural, we will use have. We have already spoken to him. They have often visited this place. Mona has never shown me her house. Mona has never shown me her house. Okay. Now, for singular, he has just gone out. We have already spoken to him. They have often visited this place. Mona has never shown me her house. Okay? Clear? Mona. So these are the things. Just, already, often, never. Now, next is the adverb already can be put at the end of the sentence also. We can put already at the end of the sentence also. We have already finished our work. We have finished our work already. You can write adverb last also. We have already finished our work. We have finished our work already. Now, this one you will do. Use the correct form of the given verb. Where is Lucy? Go is there, out. She has gone out. It will become, you have to use the correct form of given verb. Correct form of given verb. So, she has gone out. Why are you sad? I have lost my purse. Lose. I have lost my purse. Can I have your book? Yes. Can I have your book? Yes, I have finished reading it. Can you tell me Jim's address? Sorry, I have forgotten it. Where are my glasses? I don't know. I have not seen them. Where is my umbrella? I think your brother has taken it. Okay. This will be your homework. This one you will do, number 1. Now, use the present perfect or the past simple form of given verb. Here is your purse. I find bracket it. Now you have to use what? Here is your purse. I found it. I have found it. You will write here. I have found it. Okay. They have got a new car now. They bought it last month. So all past you have to use. Okay. or the past simple form. She wrote a letter this morning. She has posted it. Okay, like this 1, 2, 3. So you'll do like this now. Number 2 also will be homework. 1 and 2 will be homework. For today, this much. Thank you.